Antifungal is a remedy for stimulating the growth of the nail plate, treating and preventing fungal diseases, and prevents delamination of nails. Antifungal is suitable for the treatment of onycholysis, the removal of the nail from the soft tissues of the fingers, and onychorhexis, splitting of the nail plate in the longitudinal direction. What benefits does the master receive? The components that make up antifungal allows solving the following problems. Keratin restores the structure of the nail plate, stimulates its growth, thereby the client will quickly restore the health of his nails. Calcium strengthens the nail plate. Silicon enhances the plasticity of the nail plate. Phosphorus and sodium support the structure of the nail plate. Provitamin D5, panthenol, maintains the water balance of the nail. Vitamins C and E resist delamination of the nail plate. Talnuftat is an effective antiseptic for the prevention and treatment of fungal infections. Ethyl acetate promotes rapid absorption, forms a protective film on the nail plate. All of the above components work for the benefit of the speedy recovery and health of our clients' nails. Antifungal is available in 3 volumes, 6, 9, and 15 milliliters, while, due to the liquid consistency, the product is economically consumed and the master will not often buy the product. How is antifungal used? Apply antifungal to the prepared nails, soak the nail plate. Let the product dry. Next, we apply varnish. Now dry it. We use this method of application in a beauty salon to restore weakened and damaged nails before coating. Using antifungal at home with onycholysis, the client independently drips under his nail pockets twice a day until the nail plate is completely fused and renewed. With onychorhexis, we recommend digging the damaged part of the nail in the morning and evening until complete recovery.